Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Eva Rubin. I am 37 years old. I'm a single mother. I am a high school graduate. And I'm also a graduate of caregiver course. I would like to go in Hong Kong because I want to support the growing financial of my families, especially to my 2 kids.
Okay, Mr. Bean, here's a question for you to answer. When employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
If my employers gets angry to me because of my mistakes, I will talk to my employer and I will say sorry to them for my mistakes. And I promise to them that I will not do it again.
Okay, good. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
If baby cries at midnight, I will check the baby. If the baby is wet, I will change the diaper. If maybe the baby is hungry, I will feed it with milk. And maybe the baby is not feeling well, I will check the temperature. If there is a fever, I will talk to my employers to inform them.
Okay. How you assist the children in crossing the street?
I will assist the children crossing the street by holding them carefully and look after the traffic light. And I'll make sure that the vehicles are all stopped before crossing the street so that we can cross safely.
If you find some money or jewelry to your employer's clothes in their room, what will you do?
If I found some jewelry or monies in the clothes of my employers or in their rooms, I will get it back to them as soon as possible.
Okay. If you don't understand the instruction given to you by your employer, what will you do?
If I don't understand the instruction of my employers, I will talk to my employers and I will say, "Ma'am, will you please repeat the instruction because I don't understand."
If any serious matter happened to your family, will you go home?
If there is serious matter happen to my family, I will talk first to my employers because it will depend upon their decisions.
Okay, good. Will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
If my employers request me to renew another contract, I will agree definitely. It's my pleasure to be renewed.
Okay, Mr. Ben, what is your promise or message to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I will promise to you that in my 4 years experience as a housemaid, helps me a lot as a person to grow personally, how to be effective house help. I know how to manage my time. I am systematic with my works, patient, dependable, and very much responsible. So to you, my dear prospective employers, thank you in advance. God bless you and your family. I'm looking forward to work with you and your family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Have a nice day. See you in Hong Kong.